This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back. This is Not Your Advisor on Wednesday, July 22nd. First, I want to thank James. No one knows who I'm talking about. Wrote in a very, very nice email to me. I'm not ready to share it yet. I will maybe next month, but it brought me almost to tears. I'll give you a preview. It just was a thankful post or email about what he got out of the newsletter and Substack. So thank you, James. I will see you in London or New York. We should definitely catch some coffee or some drinks. All right, so let's cover the markets. It's 3 o'clock. Market's still open in New York time. Brent crude topped over $95 on tensions in the Middle East. Yields are rising ahead of Alphabet and Tesla earnings. And we'll talk a little bit about Mag 7 in a second. I want to continue connecting these dots, okay, because everything is connected. The SPY volume today at 3 p.m. Eastern is pathetic. SPY traded 19 million shares against an average daily of 52 million shares. That's like one of the lowest I've seen in a long time. Even July 4th, you can look at the historical data. I'm pretty sure July 4th had more, that leading up to July 4th had more volume than today. Summary of breadth, there was none. Yes, the markets were higher most of the day, but I had shared on the private chat, there's no oomph. As well as on the public notes, I said there's no oomph to this rally. And look where we're sitting. The Dow is almost flat. The NASDAQ is down 0.3%. The S&P is flat. I am telling you all, this is the time to be in safety and not trying to be a hero. There were 99 new highs, 115 new lows today. 39% advanced versus 57% declined. 50% below the 50-day moving average and below the 200-day. There were only 4 profitable NASDAQ companies making new session highs. Let's cover the sectors they're in. Are you ready? Liquidia, Healthcare, Plains GP Holdings, Oil and Gas, Midstream, Sabra Healthcare, REIT, Diamond Rock Hospitality, REIT. That was it. That should tell you a lot. All right. How about the NYSE, NY grad? What about that? 25 profitable NYSE companies making new highs, including Westinghouse, which is railroads, industrial, select water, energy, oil and gas. First Bancorp, obviously a bank. Edison, utilities. Philip Morris, tobacco. Kinetic, oil and gas. Corteva, ag. Archer Daniels Midland, farming. Oceaneering, oil and gas. Victoria's Secret, sex appeal. Travelers Company, insurance. Omega Health, REIT. Phillips 66, oil and gas. Prudential Financial, insurance. HF Sinclair, oil and gas. Apple Hospitality, REIT. Ventas, REIT. Brixmor, REIT. Xenia, REIT. Marathon Petroleum, oil and gas. Leave a comment. Am I insane? Am I not looking at this correctly? Should I just be buying Micron? Let's look at sectors. What was the leading sector today? Utilities up 2%. Basic materials up 1.7%.
We can't forget that this is just a small taste of the in-depth analysis that Not Your Advisor provides. They don't just throw numbers at you. They connect the dots, find those hidden trends, and help you understand what's driving the markets.
If you want the full picture, you got to check out the full Not Your Advisor episode
Don't forget to subscribe to notyouradvisor.com.
and all their premium content. I mean, it's like having a direct line to what's really going on in the market.
It is. It really is. They cut through all the BS and give you the kind of info that you just won't find anywhere else.
Think about this. Investing is all about making decisions that work for you and your goals. You're the one in control.
Not Your Advisor can give you the map, but you choose where you want to go.
And with that empowering thought, we'll sign off. Happy investing.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.